Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on YouTube. Today I'm creating a layout for the My Creative Scrapbook design team, and I am using the absolutely gorgeous August main kit. Now if you haven't seen my unboxing, I will leave a link to that video down below in the description box. This kit is filled with the Simple Stories Open Road collection. I've got two photos from a recent trip to Branson, Missouri, and I'm going to document these. We stayed at this resort all week long while my daughter was there playing softball. So I've got a picture of the resort, and then a picture of my favorite part in the back was a swing that I really enjoyed just, relaxing on. So I've already done a little bit of prep work for the video. I went ahead and created some banner strips here just by cutting various strips of paper or various widths, and then the length, I think I have about 6 inches here. I'm going to go ahead and distress the edges. I thought I had these done off camera, but it looks like I've got these two I still needed to distress the edges on. I love to grunge up my papers like that. I just love the look of it. So I'm edge distressing these, and then I want to create just a little place for my photos. I printed my photos 3x3 in size. I do print all my photos at home on the Epson PictureMate 400, so I'm easily able to size those. And here I'm just creating, some banners across the top. Love the way this looks already, so I'm going to go ahead and just bring a little bit of tape runner in and position these so that I can pick them up and move them all in one piece if needed. Oh goodness, one fell off. So much for that idea. But I had these kind of the way I wanted them, so I'm just going to glue those down, and then I'll go in and add some more glue now that I know how this is going to look. And included in the kit this month, we received some twine, or maybe it's called jute. Anyway, I loved it, and so I want to bring that in on this layout. I think it just brings another interesting element to the page, but I don't have a lot of it left. I've used it on my other layouts, so I want to go ahead and conserve what I can. So I'm going to use a little bit of Scotch tape here and just tape it across the back, stretch it across, and then tape it again, and then I'll tie a bow and then glue that to the front. So I find that easier to do that way. So let me tie a bow, and then I can get this glued down. So when I glue these down, I like to use the Nuvo Deluxe glue because it will dry clear, and I know it's going to have a good strong hold. Now I do want to mention, if you're not already a My Creative Scrapbook Kids subscriber, if you sign up, go ahead and add my name to the notes section and let them know that I sent you, because they will send you a free gift. So that's always nice. I am working today on my Glassboard Studio mat, which I love. I have the scrapbooking size. And that little pawn you saw me add there on top of the ribbon, that is just holding it down because it's magnetic. I do have a coupon code of Melissa, and it will save you 15% over on their website. Now I'm bringing in some of my favorites. I love to add some shimmers paints, and I have the color Sunflower, which is kind of like that golden color. So my vision is here, I've got the banners at the top, and then I want to add a little bit of paint to the bottom, so some mixed media using a sponge. Now the color I'm using is Sunflower, and this is a shimmers. It's a pre-mixed paint with a really pretty iridescent finish. It dries quickly and it sticks to almost anything. I love the shimmer and shine, and I know the camera does not show how sparkly and shiny this is in person, but I promise you, if you pick my page up and move it around, you can see so much shimmer and shine. It adds so much to your page. Now, if you ever place an order on Shimmers Paints, you can add my name to the notes section of that order, and they'll send you a free paint, and you can add my name to every order you place with them, and each time they'll send you another free paint. So I really appreciate all of you that shop my links or add my name, because that helps me out here on YouTube. All right, back to the layout. I'm adding a little strip of foam just to the top of these banners. So I've already got like that jute at the top where it's going to have like a bubble. So I thought I'd add a little bit of foam to the top just so it would have a little bit of dimension. Now the foam I'm using up some old foam, and it's only, I think, 1 millimeter. So I prefer the 2. So this really doesn't give it that much lift, but it's still something. So here's my photos. I'm going to bring those in. A little bit about this resort. So our coach, our softball coach, had sent a link and made it so easy to book and said, here's where we're going to be staying. And so it was so fun. I'm sure I'll have lots more photos to scrapbook from our Branson trip, but first I wanted to document the resort itself. It did rain almost all week. They have these gorgeous pools, and we weren't able to enjoy them thoroughly, so we might have to book another trip and go back. I love this piece of ephemera. I believe I fussy cut that from one of the cut apart sheets, but it's like a little world. And I thought that was cute for traveling, and I love that it has the heart. Now this piece of ephemera I also cut out from one of the cut apart cards. It's like a roadway with it's shaped in a heart, and I love that. I think it was 5 hours. I want to say it's 5 hours, maybe. I'm pretty sure it was 5 hours to Branson. So we spent a long time in the car. So I definitely remember that. And no, I don't love the drive. I love the vacation, but not the drive. But I thought this was so cute, this heart, and the way that it's like a roadway. And so I have to use it. I tried to add it to my other layouts and just couldn't make it work. But with this one, I think it's going to work perfectly. And it definitely symbolizes like that it took us a long time to get there. And that's, in my opinion, that's a long time to drive. Otherwise, I like to fly. So we're going to put that up on a little bit of foam tape. I've got the word travel here from the puffy stickers that were included in the kit. This kit has so many embellishments, and they're all amazing. Perfect for your hiking, your travel. There's so many just everyday things in there as well. I absolutely love the kit this month. It's taken me by surprise. Spoiler alert, by the time I'm doing this voiceover, I've already created 4 layouts this month, and I don't have a single full sheet of paper. I've got some scraps, and I've got some embellishments left, but I've used all the paper. I just love it so much. It was very usable. All right, here I'm getting that heart in place, and then I've got my travel puffy sticker. Now this wordy bit I also peeled off of the sticker sheet, and I did remove the stick, so I use a powder tool and remove the stick so I can move my stickers and around more like die cuts just to see where I'm going to like them. I'm adding liquid glue. Either way, I would have needed to add liquid glue because I have mixed media here in the background. So it says, let's go see the world. And then I've got this cute little license plate sticker that says, let's go. And I thought that was so cute and appropriate. So I love that, and I love the color. Like, I wanted to bring that teal color down on the layout. So there we go. We'll get that stuck down, and I really like how it just kind of trickles down this right-hand side of the page. Now I will do my journaling off camera to talk about the resort and how much fun we had there. It was like a full apartment, and I think it was one of those, we got it off Verbo, so like what are those, the vacation rental places? So it's like somebody's condo maybe, because it had a full kitchen, it had laundry, bathrooms, bedrooms, living room, but then it had all the amenities of like a resort. So it was amazing. I'm adding a few of the puffy stickers that are flowers. So I thought that brought in some color and just some nice interest to the page. I'm looking to see if there's anything else on here. Can't really find anything. Now I'm looking through the ephemera, and I like this. It's a geotag that says, you are here. And then I found this one. This is a cactus, and it says Cactus Inn Motel vacancy. And were we anywhere with a cactus? No. Was this a motel? No. But I love the way it looks, and it kind of like symbolizes, right, like where we were. So I'm really working so hard to not be so literal when I scrapbook. And I thought this was way out of my box to put this there. I love the way that looks. And, it really just, to me, symbolizes we were somewhere on vacation, spending the night. And so even though I'm trying not to be literal, it's kind of literal when you think about it. But, okay, I got the cactus down. I thought about this arrow. That orange is, whoa, in my face. I'm not liking that. So I am going to remove that here. And I think I'm going to switch it out with this teal colored one because, my whole page has like this teal vibe with a pop of that red and a little bit of that yellow. So definitely don't want that orange. So I'm going to peel that up, and I'm going to put the teal one down. And I like that so much better. So there we go. Love the way this layout looks, and I'm almost done. I'm going to find a few finishing touches, and oops, let me turn back on my lights. Off camera, I added a little cactus over to the right-hand side of the photo. Goes in with my little cactus motel sign, so perfect. It works, right? So that is really going to wrap up today's video. Don't forget to check out the My Creative Scrapbook website. This, I'm working with the main kit, but they also have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, an album kit. Like, there's some kind of kit that's going to fit your scrapbooking style. If you have any questions about the kits, you're welcome to leave them down below, or questions about anything I've used today, just leave them down below and I'll get back with you. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you again in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.